Hey there. Today I'm diving into ClickFunnels 2, the all-in-one platform for building sales funnels, websites, and more. Let's see if it's worth the hype in just 2 minutes. ClickFunnels 2 is a game changer for online businesses. It's a drag and drop platform that lets you create high converting sales funnels, landing pages, e-commerce stores, and even online courses. No coding needed. It's faster and more flexible than the original, with a sleek interface that's beginner friendly. Here's what stands out. The new page builder is super intuitive with pre-made templates to save time. You get built-in email marketing, CRM tools, and analytics to track performance. Plus, it now supports video hosting and membership sites, so you can manage everything in one place. The conditional split testing feature is a big win for optimizing conversions. Pros: it's an all-in-one solution with powerful automation and in 14 days free trial to test it out. Cons: the learning curve can take a bit and it's pricey if you don't use all the features. Also, no native mobile app or advanced student engagement tools for course creators. ClickFunnels 2 is perfect for entrepreneurs who want to streamline marketing and boost sales without juggling multiple tools. If you're ready to scale your business, give it a spin. Sign up for the free trial and let me know your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.